Hi everybody, welcome back to our channel. In this video, I'll be showing you the procedure to add sounds to Discord Soundboard. To add sounds to Discord Soundboard, you need to follow these steps. First thing, you want to launch open the Discord application, type in discord.com and log into your account. So as logged in, what next you want to do is, from this page, you want to open up the server where you want to add the sound to your soundboard. So I'm going to go with this. As you open up the server, you want to click on the server name or the title first thing, and next from a drop down menu, click on server settings. As you go to server settings, in the left hand side corner, you could find a lot of options. So underneath expressions, you want to go to Soundboard. In order to add sound, you click on the upload sound at the bottom. Now then you have to go ahead and choose a file. So click on browse. So over here, what you want to do is locate the sound that you wish to upload. So here I have this sound. So now that I've already uploaded, you could see the file name and you could go ahead and add a name. If you want, you could also delete the emoji. So I'm just going to go with this. After which, you could go and adjust the volume, all that thing. And if you are sure about it, or if you are gone with this, and click on upload. As soon as you've clicked on the upload button, you've successfully uploaded the sound. And here you have the sound that you've uploaded on Discord Soundboard. That's all. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share, and subscribe. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.